By the end of this video, you will know how to add a 401k provider in Gusto. Once you are already signed into Gusto, move to the left-hand menu and click Benefits. This opens the area where benefit plans are managed. From there, open the Retirement or 401k Benefits section so you are working in the correct benefit category. On the 401k setup page, click I already have a 401k. This tells Gusto that you are adding an existing provider rather than starting a new plan. Under Keep My Current 401k Provider, click Set up Manual Deduction to continue to the setup form. You will now be on the traditional 401k setup page. Start by entering a benefit name. Use a name that will clearly identify this plan inside your account. Then enter your existing 401k company in the provider name field so the provider is attached to the benefit record. Next, look for the 401k type setting and choose either traditional or Roth, depending on the plan you are adding. After that, go to Annual Deduction Limit and select either Use Standard Limit or Use Special Catch-up Limit based on the option that applies to this retirement plan. For employee deduction per pay period, choose how the deduction should be calculated. You can select percentage of gross pay or amount in dollars, then enter the deduction value in the field provided. Make sure the deduction method matches how this benefit should be handled on payroll before moving on. Under Contribution Maximum, choose the company contribution option that fits this benefit. You can select Contribute without annual maximum, Contribute with an annual maximum, or Do not contribute. If your company does contribute and there is a cap, make sure that selection reflects it accurately. After reviewing the entries on this page, click Save and Continue. Gusto will move you to the Add Employees to Retirement Benefit page. Here, select the employees who should receive this benefit. Only choose the employees who need to be included in this retirement setup. Once the employee selection is complete, review the benefit details shown on the screen. This includes the default employee deduction and the company contribution. Take a moment here to confirm that the values and selections match the plan you intended to add. When everything looks correct, click Save. Gusto will process the setup and show a confirmation that the retirement benefit was successfully added. After you see that confirmation, click Back to Benefits to return to the Benefits area. Thanks for watching. You have now added your existing 401k provider in Gusto and saved the retirement benefit to your benefits list.